Hello, here's a 2017 Jeep New Compass, 13,000 miles, one owner with a clean auto history. Really a good looking vehicle. Jeep completely redesigned these vehicles in 2017. If you've ever seen the older model Compasses, this really has a nice, sleek, new appearance. Still keeps the 7-slot classic grille. You have some black inserts though around the grille, as well as your fog lights, high intensity headlamps there, little black cladding around the bottom as well. Come around to the side, you can see you have nice deep Continental tires here, probably about 3/4 tread. You also have the graphite insert alloy wheel and nice fresh resurfaced rotor. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical report signed out by the mechanic to perform the inspection in the glove box of all of our vehicles. Right here, as you can see, you have leather trim. This is a limited model. Leather trim seats, charcoal with charcoal carpeting, full console that runs in between. That's a 5-passenger, more in the compact SUV segment, but as you can see, you still have very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there for your rear occupants, as it does seat 5. And then also want to show you here around the rear, you do have matching 3/4 tread Continentals on the back and a nice scuff-free alloy wheel. Now, as you can see, we'll come around, you can see you also have some black, kind of a smoke look there on your tail lamps. You also have some black contrast around the emblems. You can see there it is a limited, of course it is a 4-wheel drive. You do have a backup camera here as well. Let's go ahead and pop the back hatch so you can see you have a 40/60 fold down on your rear seat if you need more cargo, but still ample cargo room back here with the seats stowed up in the upright position. You also have a dummy spare down below there and jack tools. Let's go ahead and shut this hatch. Come around to the other side. Again, focused in on the nice 3/4 Continental matching tires, scuff-free alloy wheel. Show you the look here from the rear on the driver's side. See, very clean interior. No rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. Smells very nice in there. If you have any allergens, no issues. See a full power seat on the driver's side, which is nice. Also want to show you it does have remote start there on the key fob, as well as your keyless entry. Let's go ahead and give you a quick tour of the options and the amenities. You do have power locks, windows, and mirror switches right there on the door. Now this is a proximity key, so we're just going to hit the push button start here. As you can see, 1 mile over 13,001 mile. Let's go ahead and continue through the options tour. Got your fog light button there in the middle, automatic headlamp control, dimmer switch for your cluster and your interior lights to the right of that. Got a multi-function stem here on the left, which is your high beams and your turn signals. The stem on the right, if I can get a good shot of that, is your intermittent wiper washers, front and rear. You have your EVIC control pad for your driver vehicle display, your customizable center dash, so that's all handled here. Your Bluetooth or voice activation, hands-free. Buttons below that. Cruise control is on the right hand of the steering wheel. Now let's go ahead and get the, this is a big 8.4-inch touchscreen radio offered by Jeep, as you can see. Really nice thing is you have heated seats as well as a heated steering wheel. You can access those buttons right off the startup screen. We'll continue through, as you can see, there again, heated seats, radio, AM, FM, and satellite. Got your media for your MP3 hookups here. There you see, you can connect your devices or through your audio cable. You have your apps as well, as you can see there. Your climate control, which is over on this side. See dual sliders, automatic temperature control. You can also access your heated seats and wheel from there as well. There's your passenger side heated seat. There's your heated steering wheel. There's your driver heated seat. Really some nice options that come along with that. Down below here, you can see you have your audio controls as well as your climate controls as well, if you prefer to access them that way. Also down here is your connectivity, 12-volt power supply, audio pre-out, USB. Also have the ability on this, which is a 4-wheel drive lock, which is really nice. So essentially, if you want that car in 4-wheel drive, you hit that button, you can lock it in. Otherwise, you can let the computer decide on auto setting. You can also change for the different terrain, whether you may be in snow, sand, or mud. Now you do have your automatic transmission, but you do see the plus and minus here, the ability to pick any of the 9 speeds. This is a 9-speed automatic, which is nice, gives you the ability to hold yourself back or give yourself more torque when you're going up or down an incline. As you can see here, you have your emergency brake here, and you also have a traction control button there as well, and the auto stop start feature, you can turn that off also. Now we have two cup holders here. We have a full console there in between that you can keep some items. You have LED map lights. Now there's no roof on this model or nav, but as you can see, it's very well equipped. You also have an auto dimming rear view mirror there. Now I believe this is a 4-cylinder, so let's go ahead and come out and pop the hood here. Looks like our hood release is down here. Just give the motor heads here a shot underneath the engine compartment. A lot of times there's a lot of shrouding. You can't sometimes see a whole lot. Oh, you can actually get a pretty good look in here at this engine. As you can see, it is a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. Very clean, very quiet, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on any of the terminals. Looks like a new car inside, as you would expect with only 13,000 miles and on a 17. Want to see how nice and clean that engine and quiet that engine compartment is. Now let's get into the next portion of this video. I really think this portion is something that differentiates our company from a lot of stores. Not only are we completely upfront and give you our best price on all our vehicles, we also try to be completely upfront in the condition. I'm just going to walk around this vehicle. I'll show you any dings, dents, scratches, if there's anything that would otherwise make this car less than perfect. It is used, so you can expect some minor imperfections. Though right now, as I continue back, just a little dirt there. As I continue back, I don't see any dings or scrapes. There's a small little scratch that we buffed out right here. I don't even, yeah, I can kind of catch it in the light there. Little tiny scuff there. Little tiny scuff on top of the door handle there. Little tiny scratch there on that chrome molding. Continuing around to the back. Looks nice and clean there. Little chip right there on the back. Little scuff on that chrome molding there as well. Little tiny chip on the fuel door there. Passenger rear door looks pretty good. See a nice black roof up there, really sets it off as well. Passenger side front door looks good. Haven't noticed any dents. A couple little nicks. These little scratches I showed you. Tiny little stone chip. I don't know if you can see it right there. Now across the front we have a couple little chips, nothing major. You are going to get that on a lot of vehicles here with the aerodynamics of the front end. Little chip there. Across the front of the hood we have just a few. Not bad at all though. Excellent vehicle here for you guys. Great new car alternative, very good condition. Still covered under the remainder of the factory bumper to bumper as well as powertrain warranties. If you're interested, give us a ring at area code 717-485-4224 or look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com. My name is Kevin Richards. Appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.